Have you ever felt the hassle of drawing trend lines manually? It can be time consuming, subjective, and let's be honest, sometimes frustrating. You're trying to link those pivot highs and lows, identifying key resistance and support levels, and yet the lines often don't seem to fit quite right. Plus, keeping track of when a trend line is broken adds to the complexity. Well, say goodbye to those challenges because I've found a solution, a new indicator on TradingView that automates the entire process for you. It's called the Trendline Pivot tool, and it takes care of everything, ensuring precision and consistency while saving you valuable time. This tool not only plots and updates trend lines, but also alerts you when a price action breaches one. It even distinguishes between active and breached trend lines by adjusting their appearance. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this indicator effectively to profit in any market. Before diving in, if you're searching for straightforward trading tools with a proven win rate of over 80%, Easy Algo offers exactly that. Most traders lose money due to a lack of emotional discipline or not having a tested strategy in place. Easy Algo removes the guesswork by providing real-time, non-repainting signals to help you accurately pinpoint profitable entry and exit points. Trusted by thousands of traders, Easy Algo is legitimate, and I highly recommend it not just for the tools, but for the private community of professionals where you can engage and accelerate your learning curve. The link is in the comments if you want to check it out. Now let's add this trendline pivot indicator to our chart. Simply head to the indicator section and search for Trendline Pivot by QuantView. This tool automatically identifies and plots both upward and downward trend lines by connecting pivot highs and lows, acting as resistance for downward trends and support for upward ones. Once drawn, these lines adjust with price action until one of two things happens. Either the price closes above a downward trend line or below an upward one, at which point an X marks the breach. Alternatively, the line can hit a predefined maximum length and then transform into a dash format, helping you easily distinguish between active and breached lines. The Trendline Pivot indicator is fully customizable. You can adjust line colors, pivot length, and the number of lines visible on your chart. You can even set a maximum length for trend lines. For example, if you set the limit to 100 bars, the trend line will disappear if it isn't broken within that time. This tool works in any time frame in any market. There are several strategies you can use with this indicator. For instance, you can buy when an upward trend line is breached, signaling strong bullish momentum. Check out these recent buy signals. The timing was spot on. On the flip side, you can sell when a downward trend line breaks as shown here. We're currently looking at Bitcoin on a 5-minute chart, but you can also use higher time frames to confirm signals from shorter time frames. For example, while a buy signal appears on the 5-minute chart, the 4-hour chart may show a trend reversal, meaning it's not the best time to buy. Another strategy you could try is the pullback to the trend line strategy. This involves buying when the price bounces off a lower trend line without breaching it. Like in this example, this strategy has a higher win ratio, around 55 to 60%, but it's still best to use it in combination with other indicators. The more confirmations, the better. For instance, you can pair this with oscillators like stochastic RSI or even a tool called Trendilo. Trendilo is an interesting tool that helps identify price trends by calculating the percentage change in the selected price source and smoothing the data. It uses the ALMA to smooth the percentage change and applies a root mean square band to filter out market noise. Compared to the standard RSI, Trendilo is more precise as it accounts for market volatility and offers greater customization. I prefer to set the look back period to 30 rather than the default 50. So how do we combine these two tools into one strategy? Earlier, we discussed buying when the price pulls back to a lower trend line. To confirm this reversal, we can use Trendilo. When the indicator becomes oversold during a pullback and the line turns from red to gray, it signals a buy opportunity. Place your stop loss just below the trend line and aim for a risk-reward ratio of 2:1. As you can see, the market quickly hit our target after this long trade. Shortly after, another buy signal emerged, the same setup. Price retests the lower trend line, the oscillator crosses the lower band, and signals a potential long entry. With this type of analysis, you don't even need a long-term moving average to confirm the trend. You can simply cross-check price action on a higher time frame for added confirmation. By the way, if you're looking to automate this or any other strategy into a trading bot, Pionex GPT is a service I highly recommend. I also made several videos using it in conjunction with ChatGPT and created bots, and the videos also gone viral. I'll leave a link to them just before the end of this video. It's free and allows you to create strategies from scratch or choose pre-built ones. You can even copy strategies from other traders, with some offering an ROI of over 1,000%. Pionex also provides deposit bonuses and risk-free options, making it one of the best platforms I've used. The link is in the description if you want to explore it further. To sell using this method, you must meet two conditions. First, the price must retest the upper trend line without breaching it. Second, during this retest, trend lows should become overbought. Once the line turns from green back to gray, that's your final confirmation. Set your stop loss above the trend line and aim for double your risk amount. Board our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. So as you can see for yourself, the results are outstanding. Before we wrap up, if you want to dive deeper into trading strategies, check out the videos on the screen now. The top one is all about Fibonacci levels with my customizations, and the bottom left will show you how to automate this strategy into a bot with alerts. And don't forget, the bottom right is another viral trading strategy that's blowing up right now. Thanks for watching, and as always, may the charts be in your favor. See you in the next video.